Find the sum of the first 42 terms for the arithmetic sequence with a sub 3 equals 4 and a sub 9 equals 34. So here we have two terms of the arithmetic sequence. We don't know the first term, we don't know the common difference, so we're going to have to do a little bit of work to find that. We'll start by looking just at our nth term formula. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So we know two different terms. A9 is 34. Well, if I go ahead and plug that in here, I get a1 plus, this is the ninth term, so 9 minus 1, times the common difference, which we don't know yet. And then we know a sub 3 is 4. So we have a1 plus 3 minus 1 times the common difference. Well, we have a system of equations here now, okay? And we can use it to solve for a1 and d. So I'm going to subtract the two equations. Subtract, so 34 minus 4 is 30. And then the a1 terms will cancel. And here we have 8d minus 2d, which is 6d. So that tells us our common difference is 5. Now I can take that and plug it into either one of these formulas. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this second one because I've got some smaller numbers to work with there. So 4 equals a1 plus 2 times d, which is 5. So that's a1 plus 10. So if you subtract 10, you get negative 6 equals a1. So we have our first term and we have our common difference. So we are ready to find the sum here. So the sum of the first n terms for an arithmetic sequence is n over 2 times the first term plus the nth term. If you don't know the nth term, you can use the formula Sn equals n over 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. And that's just plugging that nth term formula into this an here. So I don't know the nth term here, the 42nd term, so I'm going to use this second formula here. So the sum of the first 42 terms is what we're looking for. So that's 42 over 2 times 2 times a1, which is negative 6, plus n minus 1, so n is 42 minus 1, times the common difference, which was 5. All right, so we can do a little bit of simplifying here. 42 over 2 is 21. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And then here we have 41 times 5, which is 205. Okay, and so negative 12 plus 205 is 193. And we multiply that by 21, and we get 4,053.